still manually updating Google Sheets every time someone fills a form, buys a product, or subscribes to your list. You're wasting hours every week. How to use? By not knowing how to use Pabbly Connect, you're missing out big things. This setup is a game changer for freelancers, small business owners, and agencies. You can connect your forms, payment gateways, CRMs, and boom. Every time something happens, Google Sheets gets updated. First things first, come to your Pabbly account and click on the Public Connect. From here, you'll have to create a new workflow. I'll go with the classic one with the IG outreach. As you can see, it has generated now. Simply search from Google Sheets. And by the way, this is the trigger. This is the trigger and this is the action. Simply new Updated Spreadsheet Row, and it will provide you a link. Simply copy this link and go to your Google Sheet. After that, simply come to your extensions. First, select which sheet you want to add. When you go to the extensions, add-ons, and data add-ons, first simply search Pabbly Connect Webhook, and you'll have to install this one at first. I have already installed it, so I just cut it extensions and go to the initial setup. Here it says it's working. Simply provide the link you have just copied, and since it's send tab is under D, so I'll select the D and click and submit. Setup configured successfully. Now simply cut it up and go to your, as you can see, it's waiting for your response. After that, simply click on the action and I select my Instagram for business, and as you can see, it has a lots of publish a photo, create a video, publish video story, live child media press story, media the CI request beta. So right from here, simply click Pabbly Connect. Simply click on the public chat and add this, send a text message. After that, you have to connect your public chat show. So it will be asking you for API token, which you will be get from coming to this chat flow and go to this settings. Setting and select the API and webhook. Simply copy this API token and paste it right here. Click on this save button. As you can see, now you can add your custom text, name, even the optional in the coming blocks, text to remove, text to add. There's a lots of things, and it's totally up to you what you want to add or what you want to give. Simple note that you can send image message, audio message, video message, document, template message, and it has a lots of things you can do. It's all up to you what you want and what you need. This is what smart creators and business owners are doing in 2025. You automate the boring stuff. You can focus on growth. Pabbly Connect plus Google Sheet is a killer combo. You should know how to use it right. So like this video, if it saved your time, subscribe for more fast, practical automation tutorials. Zero fluff, all actions. See you in the next one.